Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 2 to the power of 24 minus 1. So, for my solution, what I'm first going to do is rewrite this as 2 to the power of 12 times 2 minus 1. So all I did was I rewrote 24 as 12 times 2. And now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is the same thing as a to the power of m to the power of n. So in this case, 2 to the power of 12 times 2, I can rewrite as 2 to the power of 12 to the power of 2. Now I have this minus 1, and 1 is the same thing as 1 squared. Now if I have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So in this case, a is 2 to the power of 12, and b is 1. So I get 2 to the power of 12 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 12 minus 1. Now, 2 to the power of 12, well, what is the value of that? Well, 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16, and 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32, and 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1024. Well, 2 to the power of 11, this is going to be double of 1024, which is 2048, and 2 to the power of 12 is double of 2048, which is 4096. So 2 to the power of 12 is equal to 4096. So now if I plug in this value back into my problem here, I get 4096 plus 1 times 4096 minus 1. Now 4096 plus 1 is obviously equal to 4097, and 4096 minus 1 is equal to 4095. So now I'm left with 4097 times 4095. And because we can't use this calculator to solve this problem, well, what most people would do in this case is just multiply these numbers the normal way. And this is really time consuming and takes a lot of time, and it's really easy to make an error. So this is not the right way. So a better method to actually solving this problem is I'm going to rewrite 4097 as 4100 minus 3 and 4095 as 4100 minus 5. So it's always better to rewrite these as a number that has a 0 at the end. Now, if I distribute, I get 4100 squared minus 5 times 4100. Now if I distribute the negative 3, I get minus 3 times 4100 plus 15. And negative 5 times 4100 minus 3 times 4100 is the same thing as negative 8 times 4100. Now from here, 8 times 4100 is equal to negative 32,800. So I have this plus 15. And 4100 squared is equal to 16,810,000. So I get 16,810,000 minus 32,800 plus 15. And this is equal to 16,777,215. So this is my answer.